X-Tiger, you want to be seen on the road, day or night? This is a bike kit with a headlight and tail light for your needs. Let's open up the box, show you what you get inside, how to install, and do a demonstration riding our bike in levels of lights. We have 8 interests of the light. We have an owner's manual and more, a USB-A to C cable, a tripod mounting attachment, a rubber strap thumb bolt and mount attachment base, a rubber bar attachment for the rear seat and clip, the tail light with 4 modes, and the headlight with 6 plus modes. With the short USB-C cable, plug into your power supply and plug the other end into the actual unit. Charge one at a time. Optional USB-C cables. It is not noted in the manual of the 1 hour full charge and the capacity of the battery up to a 500 milliamp. That would take about 1 hour to fully charge the unit. This has 4 light modes, constant light mode of 5 hours of runtime, fast flash 10 of 5 hours, chase flash 8 hours, and strobe 20 hours of runtime. On the back of the unit, you have your clip system and your attachment system of the release button here. Simply align both up, tongue and groove, snap in, locks into place, and adjusts in an angle of your height. In order to release, pull the clip, slide out. When finished charging, simply close the IP65 door, press the unit on by a single press. The constant light is 5 hours. The fast flash of 10 is 5 hours. The chase flash is 8 hours. And the strobe is 20 hours. And off. The MO3800. To fully charge your unit for the first time, you must press the button 5 quick presses. You notice you're going to see a rapid red flash, and you may see a green light, and you're going to see every 3 seconds a blue light when in the on position. In order to shut the unit off or on, it's a simple long press of the button. To change the cycle and modes of the light's lumens, the highest beam is 800, the medium beam is 630 lumens, the low beam is 480 lumens, and the economy is 200. This is how we operate the unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a green light. Now you simply long press on the button and you are on your last memory setting. If you long press the button, it shuts off. And if you want to lock the button, again, you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you get that rapid light. And when you long press, the light will not come on. This is the state you'll get your light when you first purchase. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a green light and you're good to go. Long press for on, you're on the highest. The second one, you're on the medium, low, and economy. And notice that the blue light blinks and then you have a green light for the economy. In order to switch to the flicker mode, the 2 modes, double press, 1, 2. You have your flicker, your slow, and then you have your next flicker a little bit differently. Now when you shut off, it's a long press, and the next time you turn on, it's a long press and you're on your last setting. If and when you ever need to unlock the lens cover for future needs, you simply grab it by the instructions located on, pull off, replace, and place back on. As simple as that. Let's go hook this up to a bicycle. There are a number of ways to put your light on the bicycle. You could put it upside down and right side up. You're going to unscrew You're going to slide out, slide over your handlebar, and slide back in the gear strap. You're going to pull tightly, slide on and over, and tighten down. You're going to take your light, and anything in your way, please remove to the side. And you're going to twist on and lock into place. And your light is on. If you need to adjust your light angle, just simply grab and adjust and turn on. Depending on the way you want to press this button, you slide in your tongue and groove, release off of the clip, place around and on your bar, stretch and let go, and then adjust to your height you want. In the up position, it will not fall off to the floor. Press on and choose the settings you want. Cycle through to shut off. We have this part here. You could put it on a tripod, a monopole, or anything imaginable, and you could place your headlight and use it for other means of interest besides biking. Simply grab your light, twist it off, bring it to the pole, twist it on, turn it on, and you could go now anything you want imaginable. If you're walking, you need to see something up high, and you need to just have a light, you got yourself a different type of bike light. So take the light, and when you want to just put it onto the bike and go out and have fun riding, simply attach it, turn your light on, and come to the back light for the on and off switch and set it up for your bike ride. The X Tiger will last up to 6 hours plus on economy mode and an hour and a half on the highest, brightest mode possible to be seen outside in the darkest of hours. We are going to demonstrate our best in the evening hours, daytime, of a small demonstration of the lights. We could set the light to different modes so you could be seen at nighttime, and turn on the light in the front by a long press. And then just be seen. And then just be seen in the safety. We want to put it on a helmet so you could be seen riding. This is your bike light, bright at night, your different modes so you can be seen while riding the bike day and night. And you have here on the different settings of your tail light. I hope this is a product that you are looking for your bicycle needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.